these variables, these values. Okay, let's simulate one again. And the result here, remember that what we need is the impedance. Look at here, this is not 70 ohms, we have here 60 ohms. Okay? And this value of the imaginary part we need to put in 0. Okay? Then we need to do two things. The first is to reduce the excitation position, and after we need to reduce the size of the antenna. Okay? And then, sorry, make a mistake. The size of the antenna has been increased. Let me see. Okay. Antenna position. Change a little bit more. Then, as you see, if we increase the size, the imaginary part picture goes to left. If we reduce the size, the imaginary picture goes to right. Okay? Then look at here that this point, this figure, will be shifted to the right side because we decrease the size.
Yes.
Okay? We need a little bit more. You see, if we decrease, the picture goes to right. If we increase, the picture goes to left. Okay? Now, if you see, we are very near to 0 as imaginary part. And if you look here, we are near to 50 ohms. Then if you look at that, look at this picture, it's very nice. Because the S11 parameters goes to minus 30 dB. If I want to be very good in simulation, I need to put more points. Okay? Then you can see here that we are as a central frequency in 3 gigahertz with very nice response. And here, if you look at here, you can see that there is imaginary part near to 0, but the real part is not 50, is 47. If we want to go 50, we need to move the excitation to a bigger size, because remember that if we go to the center, it's 0. If we go to the side, we increase the value. Okay? Then we can put here this value, probably we get a bigger size, a bigger value. Okay? Then we have to reduce this value. Okay? You can see here the response is better. I mean, we are in minus 35 dB. That is a good value. Okay? And you can see the real part now is 51.6. If we want to decrease, we go near to the center, and here we can reduce this value. Okay? Probably we need to reduce a little more.
El jueves que sabemos de los cantaritos. No, el Emily le llamó él.
Okay. Then if you look at this picture, we can say that we have
Pero es el día que se ve de los cantaritos.
exactly in that point 50 ohms. Okay? Because here
Él es el
you see,
vicepresidente
there is
de
50
radioaficionados.
ohms and imaginary part is 0. Then you can see the result of S11 parameters that we are near to minus 40 dB. That is a very nice result. What is important, the simulation, because with this simulation we define exactly what is the size of the patch antenna. Okay? Because we need this size to be centered in 3 GHz. That's the reason before to apply that structure we need to define exactly what is the size of the antenna to work in 3 GHz. Okay? Once we did that, we eliminate the port because there is no need to port. Okay? And now we go to the next step. That the next step is to add the transmission line of 50 ohms. Then as you remember in the last class, we explained that we have here the calculator and we can calculate the transmission line width using this second option and putting here 50 ohms. Then if we put here 50 ohms, we can calculate what is the width of the transmission line. In this case, the transmission line size is 3.051 millimeters. With these results, we go and create another rectangle here, because now we need to put this transmission